Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you will have the power saving toggle, so if you don't see it on the first one you can keep swiping to the left, and on one of the pages we should have it, hopefully. Oh, there we go, so it's right over here. Once you find it, all you need to do is just simply tap on it. It does give you this pop-up, so select battery saver mode. We have standard battery saver or maximum battery saver. Now for the majority of you, probably will be interested in the standard battery saver, as the maximum one does restrict the usability of the device by a bit. So I'll enable it just so you can see how that looks like, but by default you want to stick with the standard one. This is the one that turns down the things like the brightness, dark mode and all that stuff, while this one, you'll see in a second, does this, apparently. So basically removes almost all of your applications from being able to be used, so they become grayed out. Up paused, cool. You can unpause it. And also widgets will not work. Now, some other devices also get rid of wallpapers and stuff like that and lower down the brightness to an absurd level. Here it tries to retain the appearance of a device, at least to some extent. Now anyway, once you're done with either one of those power saving modes, you can find the toggle and just tap on it again, and this should revert all the changes back to its original state. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.